So today we're gonna be cooking a cod fillet and avocado salad. It's nice and simple and really quick, especially on those days that you're busy.
Go ahead and try and let us know how you like it.
Alright, so this is simple and quick. And this is something that you could do when you got a busy day and you wanna eat nice and healthy and light, right? When you wanna eat on low carbs day. Let's go. So what do we have? We have some codfish that we already pre-cooked. This is cod fillet. What we did, we boiled it with salt and we put up a little bit of lime. And that's it. We left it there for like 20 minutes and it's ready. You could give it 20 minutes, half an hour. All right, then we have some tomatoes.
What kind of tomatoes?
So this is some tomatoes on the vine. You want them nice and...
That's firm for sure.
So we have those tomatoes. So we want to have some avocado. Now this avocado is not your regular Mexican avocado that you could use on guacamole and stuff like that. You want the bigger one that's from Dominican Republic, and you want to use that one. That's the right one for this kind of salad. And of course you want some onions. You want to chop it up. And last thing that we need is some nice organic extra virgin olive oil. All right, so what we're gonna do is simple. This is quick. You're gonna mix everything together and you're gonna put some olive oil. You don't want to put too much. Remember, not too much olive oil because you're gonna taste it. Let's go. All right, beautiful. And there you have it. You could have onions if you want, or no onions, but the onions is definitely gonna give it some flavors. Right? It's ready to eat. It's quick.